Okay, so in the last part, we have learned the question woher, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in this part, we will learn wohin. And wohin means where to. So for example, we say the plane is flying to China. So
Mm-hmm.
we will ask the question, wohin fliegt das Flugzeug? So here we have the verb fliegt, and fliegt means to fly. And we can see the ending here is T. And the ending T is because das Flugzeug is the third person. And
Mm-hmm.
one more pronunciation thing is some people in German say das Flugzeug, so they pronounce the CH, they pronounce the G as CH, das Flugzeug. So, but you can also say das Flugzeug. So both is correct. So you can pronounce it as G, like G, or CH. Okay. So now we will answer the question, the plane is flying to China. So first the question, wohin fliegt das Flugzeug? And then we will answer, das Flugzeug fliegt nach China. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will ask the question and you will give the answer. Wohin fliegt das Flugzeug?
Das Flugzeug fliegt nach China.
Okay. And here, this is nach.
Nach. Okay, I say it again. Das Flugzeug fliegt nach China.
Very good. Okay. And now the plane is flying to Pakistan. I will ask the question and you will answer the plane is flying to Pakistan. Wohin fliegt das Flugzeug?
Das Flugzeug fliegt nach Pakistan.
Okay, very good. And now you will ask me the question and I will give the answer.
Wohin fliegt das Flugzeug?
Okay. Das Flugzeug fliegt nach Brasilien. And can you translate that?
This plane is flying to Brazil.
Yes, very good. Okay. And now we have learned how to ask the question to fly. Wohin fliegt das Flugzeug? And we will do the same question with fahren. And fahren means to drive. So this is to drive. And the tricky thing here is that the verb, you can see, has ä. So this is an irregular verb. So actually the ending is the same, but you will not have the a, you will have ä. So this is the thing what you need to change here. We will not
Why
go
do we
through this. Yeah.
why do we need to change?
So we are when we use the third person, you always need to do the conjunction. And
Okay.
yeah. And when the question, why do we use ä? I think this can't be answered. It's just a rule because it's an irregular verb. And I think there is no real explanation why we use, why we do the irregular verbs as we do. It's just the bad thing that you need to practice all irregular verbs, the same as in English. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the question is, Frage. The question is, wohin? And then we use the third person for the verb, which is fährt, because we are talking about the car. And here we use the singular of car, which is das Auto. So you can see this is neutral, right?
Mhm.
And because we use das Auto, this is the third person, we use T in the end. And remember, fahren is an irregular verb, so you need to add an R here.
So pronounce this as fahren.
Fahren and fährt.
Fährt.
Fährt, yes. It sounds
Why?
like...
It sounds like.
It sounds like an E, actually. It sounds like wohin fährt, right? So the S sound and the E sound is quite similar. And here in this example, actually, you can say wohin fährt das Auto, or you can say wohin fährt das Auto. So actually, you cannot hear the real difference if you pronounce it as E or Ä.
I have a question here.
Yes?
So here, why don't we pronounce that R sound in fährt like this?
Yeah, we don't pronounce the R sound because we have Ä, H, and then the R. And every time when the R follows after a vowel,
Okay.
then we pronounce it just as we do here. So it's more pronounced as an A sound, A, right? And the H here in the middle can be omitted for the pronunciation. So actually the R sound is following after E. It's a vowel. And that's the reason why we don't pronounce the R. Okay, I will keep that here. I'll put it here so that you can remember that. And now we will answer this question. Antwort. And the answer is das Auto. And then we will use the third person again because it's das Auto, right? So the third person, so we use T. Das Auto fährt, and then we do the same. We can say nach, let's say Köln. Right? So Köln is Cologne. And now we do another example for the answer. Das Auto fährt nach, and you can give me a city.
London.
Nach London. Okay. I ask the question and you give the answer. Wohin fährt das Auto?
Das Auto fährt nach Aachen.
Okay. Yeah. Das Auto fährt nach Aachen. It's also a German city. Okay. And it's called fährt.
Fährt.
Fährt. So say it again.
Fährt.
Das Auto fährt nach Aachen.
Fährt. That's it, right? Fährt.
Yes, sounds good.
Das Auto fährt nach Aachen.
Okay, yes, very good.